Hi Leonardo, this is a comment on the video 18. You have the function f of xy equal x squared plus y squared. And you have the cylinder of radius 3 and the height is 5, radius 3. This cylinder has a volume. The volume is pi r squared by h, or in other words, pi 3 squared by 5. And there is a function, and the function doesn't depend on z. The value of the function is x squared plus y squared. So the value of the function is, I want to do the following calculation. If I find the average of the function, and I multiply by the volume, I obtain the result that you are trying to find. If I obtain the value, the average value of the function, I multiply by the total volume, I will obtain the result that you have found, that I believe is 630 something. So let's go to do it. So you see this circle, okay? So let's go to put it here on the plane xy, and there is a function f of xy that depends on the point x and y. But if I see this function like f of r equal r squared, it's easy to see what's the value. So this is 3. So what is the value of the function here? Is 3 squared. What is the value of the function at the distance 2? The value of the function at the distance 2 is 4. So it's 9 is 4. So let's go to do these things. Let's go to imagine that we have a small circle. The value of the function at the radius 2 is a 4. Let's go to make this a small area. This area. The area that is here, the small area that is here, is 2 pi r by ddr. So you take this, the radius r, you cut it, and this is 2 pi r by ddr. This is the area that is here. So let's go to find the average value of the function over here, because it doesn't depend on z. What is the average function? The average f by the area is pi r squared. It will be the integral of f of r by ddr. This is the average value from r equals 0 to r equals 3. So the average value of the function by p by 3 squared, it will be the integral from r equals 0 to r equals 3 of fr is fr by dda, not by ddr, by dd area. So f of r is r squared, and the element of area is 2 pi r squared ddr. So I'm calculating the value of the function in this small ring, and summing the value of the function for the other ring, and summing the value of the function for the next ring. So I'm completely filling up the whole radius, the whole circle of radius 3. So what will be the average value of the function? The average value of the function will be simple calculation. The average value of the function is pi 3 squared equal the integral. This is r4, so this is 2 pi r ddr, 2 pi r ddr, not 2 pi r squared, 2 pi r ddr, 2 pi r ddr. So it will be 2 pi, and it will be r cubed, so it will be r4 divided by 4. So r4 divided by 4 between 0 and 3. So the average value of the function will be pi r squared 2 pi 3 to the 4, which is 3 squared, multiplied by 3 squared. So now this pi this pi, this pi, this pi cancel with this pi, this 3 squared, and so the average value of the function will be 2 4 is 1/2 by 3 squared, which is 9, so the average value of the function will be 9/2. Okay, so I say that the result have to be the average value of the function by the volume have to be your result. So it should be 9/2 by pi r squared, 3 squared, multiplied by h, 5. And this should be the same 635 that you found. Check it. Okay, this is the evaluation. When you do a problem, there is always the final part is an evaluation. It has sense, this number that I found has sense or have no sense. So this way you make sense to the number that you found. Okay, good luck.